Yo, YouTube, they'll bring it back again. Hey, y'all, I opened 2 of these Topps Heritage 2015 baseball. I'm going to show you what I got. If anybody's interested in anything, make an offer to buy. This all could be for sale, for trade, except for any Indians. I love these cards. I love the old school look. I really want to send these out TTM. I kind of hate that they just released it and it's late for spring training. I mean, at least I think it is. If any of you think it's alright to send out for spring training, I just sent out a bunch, but these just came out. If any of you have sent out like this late and gotten back, tell me. Because I would love to send out some of these cards. I think they look awesome signed. Alright, here we go. Michael Wacha. Alex Wood. Jake Petricka. LaTroy Hawkins. Bartolo Colon. John Jaso. Bob Melvin. John Jay. Tony Gwynn Jr. Steve Chizik. You're my son talking away. Howie Kendrick. Patrick Corbin. Jake Arrieta. Brandon McCarthy. Torrey Hunter. Mr. Lonnie Chisenhall. Chase Anderson. Nathan Eovaldi. Charlie Blackmon. Bud Norris. Pablo Sandoval. And here's the chrome ones that come in these. Albert Pujols. Yoenis Cespedes. Craig Kimbrell. Johnny Cueto. Jose Fernandez. New Age Performers, Andrew McCutchen. I don't even know how to say his name. Not even going to try. Mike Matheny. 2015 Rookies and Stars, Padres. Masahiro Tanaka. All-Star Rookie. Mr. Alex Rodriguez. And this is a short print variation of Jose Fernandez. As that box also in this box, I'll show this last. There was a sweet hit in that box. This is the other box. Adam Wainwright, Clayton Kershaw, NL Aces. Nick Markakis. Michael Pineda. Dexter Fowler. You can read that. Oh, buddy. Hang on a second. My son just knocked something over. Sorry about that, y'all. Here we go. Stopping the action. James Loney. This one, I forgot. Sorry. Mike Sciocia. Carlos Ruiz. Jay Bruce. Addison Reed. Nice Indians team card. Wish I would have had that to send that to Kipnis. That'll look sweet signed by him. So he's the main focus in there. Jared Dyson. Matt Latos. Zach Bryton. Javier Baez, Jorge Soler, Cubs rookie, Stars. Lucas Dutta. Derek Norris. Lloyd McClendon. Blue Jays rookie stars, Daniel Norris, Dalton Pompey. Hang on, buddy, I'll get you some paper in a minute. You want color? Chris Young. Oh, Elvis Andrus, Jeremy Guthrie, Adam Eaton, Tommy LaStella, Will Middlebrooks, Hector Santiago, New Age Performers, Stanton, Alex Gordon, Masahiro Tanaka. Oh, those, by the way, those are the chrome ones. Chrome refractors. Jared Weaver, Yu Darvish, my boy Carlos Santana, and then we got a short print variation of Zach Greinke. And then we got a nice relic, a bat relic of Stanton. And then in the other box I didn't show you because this was the best hit of them all. It's a gold Clubhouse Collections game used memorabilia bat relic from the Atlanta Braves, Mr. Hank Aaron, number 98 of 99. Very sweet. Alright, y'all, tell me what you think. Make any offers or trades, and holla back at your boy. Tell me what you think. Rate, comment, share. I'm out. See ya!